Alright, welcome back guys. We're going to continue working where we just left off with the engine bay here. Hopefully in today's video I'll get this thing put in epoxy primer. I'm going to hold off on the hood hinges here because I have not had the glass people come out to get the windshield out. The weather's been bad. They weren't able to get out here to get the windshield and quarters out. So we're going to mask that off. We're going to save that for another day. The goal really is to get this engine bay in primer today. I've got some seam sealing to do, as well as dropping this front subframe here. I'm probably going to refinish that as well. So let's just go ahead and get to it. well, it's been a long day here in the garage. I did get my goal accomplished. I got the engine bay sprayed in with primer. This is the epoxy primer. It's a little new to me. It's really pretty fluid, meaning it's not very viscous as opposed to like the high build primers. So I got a few runs in it. I wasn't really sure how it was going to spray. It went on really easily, but it does run pretty easy. It's going to be an easy fix. We're just going to sand that down, smooth it out before I put the base coat on. I got everything masked up. I do have a little overspray on some of these wires down here, so before I move forward, I'll clean those up. And I'm going to be painting the suspension anyway, so no big deal there. I did get the subframe pulled off. I got it all sanded down and recoated with a fresh coat of chassis paint, so it looks really nice. It's ready to go back on the car. So moving forward, I'm just going to keep moving on the engine bay. Hopefully we'll be getting some base coat down here in the near future. Really, I'm just going to have to sand it down and perfect it before we put the base coat on, because once we do that, there's no going back. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and that you'll join me on the next one.